Chief, sa'yo muna po, ano? Sir, yung mga chief PNP dati, meron na bang nag-reach out na ba kayo sa kanila? May nakausap na ba kayo na willing sila magbigay ng statement sa inyo po?
We, on our part, we have, sir, we already have, meron na po kaming committee na to really investigate po dun sa all the allegations being made by Colonel Garma regarding po dun sa EGK and other matters, no? So, we're just waiting po. So, tuloy-tuloy po yung investigation natin. And we have to present it dun sa ano natin, kung sabi nga ng ating SLG, we have to wait for the full ng Quad Committee dun sa kanilang investigation. But what we're doing right now is to really get more the information. So by the time na kailangan ng Quadcom yung talagang resulta ng police natin, we can easily give it to them po.